Welcome to LP Financial Services. Free membership is available at www.fxreturn.com. Hello and welcome to the LP Financial Services Market Quick View Report for Wednesday, July 16, 2008. It's a little past 2:30 East Coast time, 18:30 GMT. This is for the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. You see the Swissy in the background trading 101.73. We went down, we had a shot at parity again. 1.0011 was our low. Our 1.00 support held. Currently, the next support in dollar Swiss, 101.38, important level. Resistance, this big line here, 103.60, and then 105.30. These are our main levels in the dollar Swiss. We did start to trade beneath. The moving at the MACD was trading negative in a downtrend, and that's what caused us to pour off. We're still in a downtrend until we can snap it. Let's take a look at a little bit closer time frame. When we look at the 4-hour charts in dollar Swiss, we see we bounced through that bottom of that trading range, got hung up down there, and now it's working its way back up. We got a little bounce off that, and now let's take a look at the 60 minutes. Because here we can see a little chart pattern. We came down into a low, made another low, and what technicians may have spotted was a little double bottom pattern right there. If we can look at this low, and then we see the equal low, we had that. Then we had what's called a divergence as the MACD went very deep on this one. And then the second low, equal low, not as deep. So that caused a divergence. And then you can see the market, once it snaps this downward trend line, like so, we shot back up. So that's where we are, 101.70. We got some big resistance up here, this moving average, but I think we can see a little bit more upward pressure based on the hourly basis. And we do have a little reverse head and shoulders in the euro that head and shoulders pattern on the 60s in the euro that we're looking at. So I think this may push a little bit higher, but big levels. 103.60 is a very important level. But that was a good example of a double bottom pattern reacting off a divergence. When we take a look at the dollar yen, we see that we've been in this downtrend. It's fighting back a little bit better than Swiss franc. This 108.63 is a big level with this 106.50. We went down to retouch this old trend line. We got down to 103.80. Right now, the support's at 104.56. Beneath that is 101.21, and then parity, or 100, not necessarily parity, as then a yen would be worth a penny if it's trading at 100. A yenny is worth a penny at 100. So 106.50, big level, then 107.45. We are starting to trade downwards a little bit here in the dollar yen, so we can look at these top levels at 106.50 to be able to contain the market for a moment. So that's a story right now. We'll take a quick peek at the Canadian dollar, same range, also trading a little to the downside at 100.13, approaching its parity level. Which we just came through the 101.09 level. So that was a good example of a double bottom in the Swiss franc. Be sure to check the website at fxreturn.com for all of our LP intraday and swing trading signals and our TON trade on news software. So for Wednesday, July 16, 2008, that was our market quick view for the dollar Swiss and the dollar yen. And have a great week trading, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.